What's up everyone, Phil Moments here. In this video, I'll show you how to play online solitaire with no download on your mobile phone. That means no app installs, no storage space has been taken, just open your browser and start playing instantly. This works on Android and iPhone. And so I walked you through the process step by step, so let's get started. Now first on your phone, open your browser. On your iPhone, open Safari, and for Android, open Google Chrome. In the search bar, search for online solitaire. Now from the search results, scroll down until you see this solitaire game. All you have to do is click this play button, and then after that select easy or hard, and then just like that you can now play the game for free and without downloading an app. Here's why playing online is great. No storage space used, no updates required, no app permissions, play instant anywhere, and compatible on almost any device. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, peace out.